Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0641 indicates a malfunction in the sensor reference voltage A system. This diagnostic trouble code, commonly referred to as DTC, is triggered when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects that the power supply for a sensor is outside a specified voltage range. The components affected by this error are critical to the vehicle's engine management and overall performance. The PCM functions as the brain of the engine, controlling various sensors that ensure proper engine operation. When the PCM identifies an issue with the sensor reference voltage, it stores the DTC in its memory, alerting technicians to potential faults in the circuit. The location of these components, including the PCM itself, is typically under the dashboard or behind the vehicle's center console. Addressing this DTC promptly can prevent further damage to the vehicle's electrical systems and maintain optimal performance. DTC P0641 relates to a malfunction in the sensor reference voltage A, primarily generated by the powertrain control module, PCM. The PCM regulates voltage supplied to various sensors, including the CKP, crankshaft position sensor, CMP, camshaft position sensor B, MAP, manifold absolute pressure sensor, and others. These sensors are crucial for accurate engine monitoring and control. For instance, the CKP sensor helps in determining engine speed and position, while the MAP sensor aids in calculating engine load. The PCM itself is usually located under the dashboard or behind the center console, accessible during routine service checks. When the sensor reference voltage falls outside the designated range, it can lead to performance issues and trigger this DTC, making it imperative to diagnose and repair the underlying cause quickly. There are several possible causes for DTC P0641. First, issues within the external circuit supplying voltage to sensors can lead to this code being triggered. This might include poor connections or damaged wires. Second, one or more of the components connected to the VCC circuits, specifically VCC1, VCC3, or VCC4, could be faulty themselves, unable to relay the correct voltage to the PCM. Lastly, a malfunction within the PCM could also be responsible for this code. If the PCM fails to manage outputs correctly, it won't supply the right voltage levels to the sensors. Each of these causes requires careful diagnosis to pinpoint the root of the problem effectively. Drivers may notice several symptoms associated with DTC P0641. One of the most immediate indicators is the check engine light illuminating on the dashboard. This is typically an alert from the PCM that something is amiss in the vehicle's systems. Additionally, drivers may experience poor engine performance, such as hesitation during acceleration or difficulty starting. Inconsistent sensor readings might also be evident. For example, the engine may not run smoothly if the PCM is not receiving accurate information from critical sensors. Addressing this DTC allows for thorough investigation into these symptoms, potentially improving overall vehicle functionality and reliability. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0641 is to turn the vehicle ignition to the on mode. This allows the powertrain control module, PCM, to initialize and conduct self-checks on its systems. Before disconnecting the PCM connector, the SCS service check switch line must be jumped using the HDS Honda Diagnostic System tool. This procedure prepares the diagnostic system for further testing by allowing the PCM to capture all relevant data without encountering interruptions. It is crucial to wait for more than 1 minute after jumping the SCS line to ensure that the system stabilizes and accurately reflects any stored faults. Next, inspection of the VCC voltage common circuit lines. begins with VCC1, VCC3, and VCC4 circuits. Ensuring these circuits are intact and providing the correct voltage is crucial for the PCM and the sensors it controls. During this phase, technicians must also check the PCM connections for any signs of corrosion or damage that could impede proper communication. This involves visually inspecting terminals, ensuring they are clean and securely connected. Any abnormalities found at this level could be a primary contributor to the DTC P0641, making this step essential before further diagnosis is performed. In this step, technicians will perform tests to check for short circuits in the VCC1, VCC3, and VCC4 circuits. A short circuit can occur when the voltage lines make unintended contact with the ground or power sources, leading to circuit failure. This involves comparing the on-off status of these circuits in various conditions. If the VCC circuits are shorted to ground under the off condition or to power under the on condition, it further indicates there could be a fault in the wiring or components connected to those circuits. The results from these tests can help in pinpointing exactly where the problem lies, guiding the next steps needed for resolution. After all necessary repairs have been made, it is crucial to perform a final verification of the repair. This involves using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC, and then monitoring the vehicle's performance. Testing should confirm that the DTC P0641 no longer appears, and that the vehicle operates as intended without any warning lights. Continuous monitoring of the engine's performance, including sensor feedback, ensures that the issue has been fully resolved. This stage is vital for guaranteeing the long-term reliability of the repair and the vehicle's mechanical systems. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0641. Regular diagnostics, particularly when the check engine light is activated, can ensure that any underlying issues are identified and addressed promptly before they escalate. Additionally, routine inspection of wiring and connections related to the PCM and its sensors can help catch potential problems early. Techniques such as checking for frayed wires, clean connections, and secure fittings can save time and costs in repairs later. Consistent preventive measures help maintain optimal functioning and better overall vehicle health. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0641 is essential for effective troubleshooting in Honda Civic 2022+. The causes of this error can range from simple external circuit issues to more significant component failures, including PCM malfunctions. Performing thorough troubleshooting steps is crucial for accurately identifying the root cause and ensuring the correct repairs are made. Regular maintenance and diagnostics play an essential role in preventing this DTC from reappearing and supporting the overall health of the vehicle. By remaining vigilant to these issues, vehicle owners can ensure a smoother driving experience and increase the lifespan of their Honda. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.